Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and on today's episode we are going to make pimento cheese. This is something that I really didn't grow to love until I got older in life, but it's so easy and it's 1,000 times better than any of that garbage that you're going to buy in the grocery store. It's really quick to put together and it is perfect on as like a grilled cheese or as a dip. Really, you can kind of do whatever you want with it. So good, so easy, and we're gonna make it right now. Okay, so we are going to start with our stand mixer, and we're gonna kind of do two things with it today. But first, we are going to beat our cream cheese. Now we have 8 ounces of cream cheese, we have 8 ounces of Colby Jack, and 8 ounces of pepper jack. You can do whatever cheese combo that you like. I like a little spice from the pepper jack, and then I love the mildness from the Colby. So we're gonna do that, but first we're gonna beat the cream cheese because you want this to get nice and soft. You don't want to have big chunks of cream cheese in your pimento cheese. Okay, I'm gonna flip that on. Okay. Whoa! I cannot be trusted in the kitchen, guys. All right, I'm just gonna do a little scrape. And then I'm gonna mix it one more time. Okay, that looks good. Now you might be wondering, what is this weird contraption on the front of my mixer? That is a cheese grater. And it is the greatest invention of all time. So this is going to be a one bowl dish, which makes my heart happy because that means one less dish, right? Okay, now let me get a knife. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these in half to make it easier to fit in my grinder here. Let's see, is that gonna fit? Cut it in. Now you can grate this by hand if you want. It hurts my shoulder, so I'm not going to. We're not cheating, we're using our minds. Okay, now lock that. And this thing just attaches. If you've never seen one, I might be boring some of you. Come out. So it just goes into the front of your KitchenAid, and then it just tightens with that little screw. And then there's different little grating options. This is a large grate, which is what, and it just snaps in, and then this just helps you push it down. All right, so let's turn it on. I'll let you look so you can kind of see how it's coming out. Okay, now you can pop, you just release this little lever and this comes out. Sometimes you gotta use your muscles. And then a lot of times these pieces that come on the edge, those are just the chef's treats. Okay. Or Winnie's treats, huh? All right, let's see what we got lodged in here. Okay. Now, the one thing about the, this is not sponsored or anything like that, but you cannot put this housing unit in the dishwasher, but everything else you can wash in the dishwasher, which is great. So like all these little pieces, you just can't put the little motor. Okay, now we are going to our cheese mixture. And I'll stick this back on there. We are going to put a half a cup of mayonnaise. And my daughter, who loves pimento cheese, she cannot stand mayonnaise. But it's in there, baby. Then also have a quarter cup of pimentos. I'm gonna put this in last because I don't want it to like just obliterate the things. To our mayo and cheese mixture, we are going to do a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of celery salt, a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. I know you're like, oh my God, Stephanie, that's so much salt. It really isn't. It tastes good. Trust me. Do trust. Okay, and then a half a teaspoon of pepper. And then we're gonna just let this go. Whoop. Now, once you get that all mixed up and incorporated, then we're gonna add in our pimentos. So I'm just gonna clear off our blade here. Add our pimentos. And you wanna drain the pimentos. You don't wanna have them in all their liquid. And these are diced. So if you get like whole pimentos or sliced pimentos, you just want them in a smaller dice. And that's it, guys. I mean, if you have everything ready, it would take you less than 5 minutes to throw all this together. Super easy. Oh my gosh. I love, we serve this at the bakery, and we serve it with, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. We serve this at the bakery on a panini bread. So it's toasted and gooey, and then we'll add tomato and bacon. Oh my God, it's freaking amazing. We're gonna give this a little taste test. See how we did. It smells like a cheese ball. If you've ever had a cheese ball, that's what it reminds me of, which is similar ingredients. Okay. So we're trying to get a little pimento. So good. Slap this on some bread, throw it in the oven or on a little sandwich press. Throw some tomatoes and bacon on there. I promise you, it's gonna be your next favorite thing. And you will never buy that trash in the grocery store ever again. except for Pimento Cheese. Like, they've done it right. All the other ones are straight garbage. So try this. Let me know how you, let me know what you think. And that's it, guys. We will see y'all next week. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn the bell on, do all the fun things. Every view, every comment, every like, it helps build our channel. And that's what we're trying to do, so we can give you more and more and better things. So until then, we will see y'all next week. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. See y'all later. Cut. Why? Are you f***ing kidding me? I'm already having a hot flash. I'm sweating in my pants. I am. I'm sweating.